car keys. Dad, I need your car keys.
We'll get his car keys, don't worry, okay?
Please do not.
Come on, buddy.
I don't know why I'm getting kicked off the fucking plane. Good. I'm gonna fucking kill people as I drive up.
Too bad, right? Be cool.
Don't grab me.
Hey.
On July 28, 2023, officers were called to Savannah Airport. A heavily intoxicated passenger was refusing to get off the plane. His kids were on board. The flight crew was being harassed, causing such a scene that they refused to fly with him on board. And the moment he saw the officers, he started crying. Here's exactly what happened.
Exit row, second exit row. Can you just put him up front and let him sit there?
Hey, partner, come on. Gotta step off the plane for me, sir. All right, come on.
He's got 2 kids here.
Are you all still traveling?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, come on.
Ma'am.
You gotta get off the plane.
Why am I going to jail?
Come on, you're not going to jail. You just gotta come off the plane, okay? What's your name?
Why?
Sir. Sir. So he drove here?
Yeah, like I said, I don't know exactly what's going on, but he's gotta come off the plane, okay? Come on. We can talk about the hallway. You're not going to jail. You just gotta come with me, okay?
Sir. Sir.
Yep.
Wait.
They're not gonna let him stay. He's gotta go.
Well, don't let him drive.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we won't let him
I'm
drive.
gonna drive and I'm gonna fucking crash into fucking people.
No, Dad, give me your car keys. Give me your car keys. You're not keeping your car keys.
Is he with you guys?
I need your car keys.
Hey, relax.
Dad,
Relax.
I need your car
We'll
keys.
get his car keys. Don't worry, okay?
Please do not.
Come on, buddy.
I don't know why I'm getting kicked off this fucking plane. I'm sleepy.
Sir.
Come on, bud.
Will he be able to, will he be able to get his flight through Monday?
Yeah, yep, you can rebook.
As long as you're not.
Yeah, as long as he's not intoxicated, they'll rebook.
So what? I'm gonna get fucking wasted
Relax,
now.
just walk that way for me. All right?
Yeah, give
Come
me
on,
your
bud.
car keys.
Well, I'll get them for you. Don't worry.
Please.
Come on. Let's go, buddy. Walk that way for me.
Come on, sir, let's go. Go right this way.
Fucking asshole. I'm a fucking piece of shit. I'm gonna miss my fucking goddamn summer for my kids. You fucking piece of shit. I didn't do nothing. I slept. I was sleeping.
I get it.
I was sleeping.
Okay.
Give me my goddamn gear.
I got it. Relax.
He's got it.
No, this is bullshit. I don't even know why.
Come on, right now you're not in trouble. Don't
I'm
make it worse.
intoxicated. So
I get it.
what?
I get it.
So what? And I'm leaving my kids.
Okay.
How am I leaving my kids?
Okay, come on.
Guys, really? My kids are good. I'm gonna fucking kill people as I drive up. Give me my bag.
Relax. I got it. Just keep
No,
walking.
give me my
Come
bag.
on. Just keep walking. You keep walking. I'll give you a bag. All right? Be cool.
Don't grab me.
Hey.
No,
What?
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what? Dude, what are you doing?
Chill out.
I'm chilling out.
Put your hands on your back.
Ow! What the fuck are you guys doing?
Stop it. Stop it now.
I'm stopping. Dude, you guys ripped me out of a fucking seat while I was sleeping? And you guys are now...
Now calm down.
What are you doing?
Calm the hell down.
Calm down.
I am calming
No, you're
down.
not. We had to put handcuffs on you. You gonna be cool?
Dude,
Let's just
chill the fuck out.
You calm down then, man.
Dude, I'm supposed to be with my kids.
Can't take those off. We're gonna get this foot in that.
Please, sir. I'm not trying to...
I know, and we're gonna
What the
work with
fuck?
you because you're working with us. I appreciate you working with us. We'll work with you.
Please, sir. I was supposed to be on plane with my kids.
I get it. I get it. We're gonna go
All
get your
I was
bag now.
doing
though.
was sleeping.
So I'm gonna get this closed, all right? Do you want your kids to have these, or do you want to keep these?
Why can't we fly on that plane?
You're not gonna fly right now. They're not barred from flying on that plane right now. They can't, but that's not the question right now. Before they leave, do you want them to have these, or do you want these? Which one, sir? Do you want them to have these, or do you want these?
What am I in chains for?
Because right now you are under arrest
For what?
for public intoxication and disorderly conduct.
I didn't do disorderly conduct.
Yes, you did, sir.
know what I mean?
But that's not the question right now. Do you want your kids to have these, or do you not?
Well, obviously, yes.
Okay.
Because you stupid fucks don't realize that I just left a 15-year-old and a 16-year-old at the airport, but you're going to bring me to jail for sleeping. Doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Let's leave fucking minors sitting at the airport. You guys are fucking... Just think about it. I don't want to go to the hospital. I'm going to deny it. You let me out, I'm going to be like, fuck you. Nope. Nope. Bring me... That's why I said, bring me right to jail. I don't care. Nope. I'm going to tell fucking... No. I don't need to go to fucking hospital.
Unfortunately, you have to tell them at the hospital.
Good.
We're not
I
allowed
will.
to take the no.
Good. As I'm sweating back here like a motherfucker, I'm going to say no. Then you can bring me right to fucking jail, and I'll get bailed out for, what, $50? Because you guys fucking are dicks, and I'm going to sue the fuck out of you. Because I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. I fucking was asleep, and you guys dragged me out. So fuck you. And it's going to show on all the cameras. So fuck you. And on your fucking personal shit. And Mr. fucking, yeah. Yeah, what are you gonna see? You're gonna see me hit my head on fucking stupid shit here? But you guys took me out for nothing. No. Take you fucking guys out. You guys fucking don't even... You don't have to hold me. I'm not gonna run off. Obviously,
because I got you in the restraint. I don't want you to fall down. So.
I'm not gonna fall down. Don't worry. I'm pretty good drunk.
Got practice.
Yeah. Thanks for ruining my kid's vacation. Appreciate it. Really, just wipe.
I don't have a wife. As soon as they come out, they'll ask. I can't take those ones off.
Am I going to be bailed out tonight, or are you guys actually not even giving me a ticket? You're actually putting me in jail instead of a ticket for drunken disorderly? Really?
Is that what they do in South Carolina? Is it different?
I have no idea. I've never been to jail. So they actually put you in jail for drunken disorderly?
Mm-hmm. You never had a DUI or anything?
Nope.
Good for you.
Why would they put you in jail for drunken disorderly? That doesn't even make sense. Why would you waste taxpayer money? I work in Georgia. What?
Where do you work at?
That's none of your business. But why would you put somebody in for drunken disorderly? There's like murderers and drug dealers, and it doesn't make sense. Why would you put a normal taxpayer, just because he's drunk, in jail? That makes zero sense. Well, be ready for a lawsuit for both of you. Be a couple of months, but I'm definitely going to go through this. Yep. Yeah, just be ready. Talk to your union. Oh, you don't have a union.
I'll call Ike. Is it Ike or Mike Hostel?
No.
I'm going to get Mike Hostel.
No, my wife works for Morgan. So, yeah, we'll be after your ass. Don't worry.
Daniel Jozic got on a flight with his kids, agreed to leave when officers asked, turned back 3 times, made a threat, pushed an officer, and ended the night in jail. Daniel was arrested and charged with the following: Charge 1, obstruction. Charge 2, criminal threat. Charge 3. Battery on a law enforcement officer. All individuals featured in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational purposes only.